3 o'clock in the afternoon. It was 107 degrees outside, and now it's in the low 90s. And it started raining, thundered, lightning, and the wind now just started to pick up. Don't know what's going on, but hear that? Root beer's already thrown up. He's freaking out. Oh, here comes the rain now hard. Whoa! Wow, you guys, this is weird. Woo! Oh! Oh, we gotta go in the house. Come on. Come on. Come on. In the house. Go. Wow. Finish off. This is weird. So weird. Wow. What is going on? Wow. Wow. Unbelievable. Here comes the rain again.